Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, we in there. Too much? All right, that's cool. My name is Shley. Baby, that's Ashley without the eh. Cause don't nobody need all that. That's just extra. I mean, I am extra, so I guess I get it. Shout out to mom and dad. This is about to be the easiest. Like, if you are a professional, I'm about to piss you off. You're not gonna like what I'm gonna do. You're not. But it works for me. It is easy. It is time efficient and it lasts. I think the last time I did it for 3 weeks, but I could have went longer. I just took it out because I needed to film a different video for my YouTube, so had to take that hair out and do a different tutorial. But we're back and we're doing this. First up, we about to do some straight back. Them same straight backs, them meat meals that you put under your wig, we're gonna put them under our sew-in. Stop stressing yourself. If you're doing this on yourself, why make it harder? Work smarter, not harder. Whew, Cruella ain't got no edges. It's quite disrespectful. I am not going to braid it all the way down. It's not that deep. I'll show you why in a second. Next braid. I gotta put my glasses on, y'all. I can't see. Baby, hear your girl when she says she's blind. Got it. Blind, okay? Okay. Okay, gonna show you what I did with the last end. So, hope you guys can see. I've braided halfway back. I'm gonna take this in and pull it up tautly, very tight. I don't pull it so tight that you get the bumps across the back of your neck, but I'm gonna take that up and just braid it right on in. I'm hoping you guys can see what we're doing here. Alright, and we are going to continue that all the way across. So again, this one, I will not braid all the way to the end. Last one. Alright, since this is the last one, I will braid this one to the end. Woo! Alright, so let me see if I can see it. Boy, them things look ghetto back there. Ghetto girl. What was that well song? Alright, all sewn up. We are ready to go. Oh, let me get my bundles out. Duh, I'm tripping. Let's get started sewing it in. Listen, I told you I was gonna be quick and easy, so no, I'm not sewing on no cat. Okay, you can zoom out a little bit so y'all can see my head, huh? No, I'm not sewing on no cat. No, I'm not doing the most. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry actually, but I feel like that was something I should say. So, this is the frontal. I just flat twisted it down and pinned it up because I need to get to the seam of it, and I can't do that if the hair is all over the place. It's in my way and I don't like it. So I mean, you can braid it, you can flat twist it, you can do whatever, just get it out the way. So like I said, it's already been cut to my head shape. So you see, once we get it on, we are secure. As I told you, I left my edges, because y'all know Cruella don't have no edges. I left Cruella's edges out because I always use my own hair as baby hair for 2 reasons. One, because if I put, all right, let's get into it. I don't have a forehead, okay? You can see that, obviously, y'all got eyes. So if I put the wig or weave or whatever, the frontal, in front of my edges, it will be right here. Now, please get into how close that is to my eyebrows. And even that still has hair out. So let me pull it to where it would be safely. This is where we would be. Who's putting it on their forehead like that? I'm not doing that. So because I don't have any hair right here, Cruella is being disrespectful. I just put it right there. I know I shouldn't. I know that. Either way, what I'm saying is fit it to where you need it on your head. It's your head, like you know your head, bro. All right, bobby pin one side of it down. Don't matter what side, just a side. All right, just to secure it on one side, cause baby, it's time to sew. We getting right into it. We ain't lollygagging, okay? So there's a thicker seam across the back of your frontal, your closure, whatever you're working with. There's a thicker seam on it. Right now, all I'm doing is going in and sewing that seam to these braids. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. That is done, it's secure, it's sewn down. Now, I'm not gonna do it yet because I need to keep my braid in right now because I don't want the hair in my way. But later on, we are going to secure it just a little bit more because we don't want it flapping up in the wind. That ain't hot. So we're gonna sew along the braids in the frontal. But right now, it's time to start sewing them bundles in. Okay. Because y'all know how I jig. So this is my little tip trick to make the bundles look fuller. Because, again, so let me show you. I ain't really working, like, even though I have a big ass head, a quite large head, I don't feel like, personally, I'm working with a lot of space right here to get all 4 bundles that I want back there. So all I did, let's see if you can, folded it over. Okay, you see where I folded it right here, and I just sewed it up. All right, and literally, like, very simple. It's literally just sewn, taking around and around and around. That's all I did with that thread. Take it around and around and around. This is the thing. When the hair falls in this area right here, you don't want to be able to see through it, right? Because that ain't hot. It's like, girl, don't want to be sleek with the stiff weave and the slim bundles. Like, that ain't hot. So, what I do, sewed it together, all right? And it's going to go back here, all right? And that's going to give us some fullness. That's my one little trick. If you got a better way, let me know. I'm always down to learn new stuff, honey. Alright, so we're getting there. It's taking a lot less time. Let's see, I'm watching Hamilton and I am on 22 minutes and 51 seconds. But just the back though, I wasn't doing it when I did the front, but whatever. Right now we're at 22 minutes for the back. And this is what we have. And then of course, like I said, I still need to go back and sew down my frontal a little bit better. Because right now, it does that and we don't want it to do that. When I get done, it won't do that anymore. I'm almost a bad bitch, daddies. Wait on it. Wait on it. We about to be a baddie. Wait on it. Okay, guys, so as I'm editing, I realized that I didn't feel myself securing the frontal, but basically all I did was part the frontal along my braids and then sew it to my braids. That's it. Oh. Oh. Can we, what? So all I did to achieve this style, I'll tell you, I blow dried it. I didn't flat iron it because that was, I blow dried it, and I used 13 flexi rods, the blue ones, and I ran out of blue ones, so I had to use a couple red ones in the front, which is why the curls in the front are a little tighter. I did, of course, take a, I like it to be a little body, okay. But I did also take a hot comb, this thing right here. Babe, get you an electric one, baby. Get off the stove. Though, that might give you a different type of heat. I don't know. So this is it, baby. This is it. This is what the girls are offering. Oh. Oh. All right. And you're sewn down. So I like the tight curls the first couple days, but then they will obviously fall. And of course, that's when I'm really gonna cut up. I might come back and show you what they look like when they fall. But matter of fact, I'm not. That was a lie. I'm sorry. I lied to you. I'm a liar. What you can do to see them when they fall, follow me on Instagram. I always post on Instagram. My Facebook page is Shlee Speaks, just like my YouTube. Hi. But my Instagram, Silky Smooth. SILKK. Two K's. SILKKY. Okay. Underscore smooth, spelled the regular way, because we didn't want to have too much razzle dazzle. And you can see the curls, the updates. She be having Cruella little updates and whatnot too. So check out her little Instagram or whatever. You know what I showed up here to say. Oh, real quick. So I really like this necklace a lot. Sometimes I wear it like this and let it hang on the back because I'm cute like that. I got this from Unique Rose Jewels, okay? Unique Rose Jewels. Make sure you check her out. UniqueRoseJewels.com. Of course, I'll link it in the description box. And it's just a chain, right? But sometimes, like I said, I wear it over the back like that. Sometimes we do a little shawant right here. I mean, I like it because you can play with it a lot. Do a lot of different stuff with. Baby, the way them curls bounced over that shoulder just now. Whoo! Can't tell a chick nothing, yeah. Nothing. Alright, she got her bundles in her inches. I might not even go by Shlee. You know, while I got my hair in, please refer to me as Cashley Banks. Oh, okay. This is Cashley. No Ashley. Definitely not no Shlee, because you know Shlee be on that bullshit. Shlee be really, we'll come to that. Shlee be on some other stuff. She wild. But Cashley, oh, okay. All right. So, y'all know what I showed up to say today. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with you. Drink your water. Drink your water, okay? Keep that thing on you. Listen, right below this little screen box that you watching is a subscribe button. Do me a quick favor, tap in. Okay? Subscribe, come back, see what I got for you, because I definitely got the heat coming. Alright? Drink your water. Have a great day. Stop playing in your face. Stop playing with your face, i.e. your skin. And keep that water bottle on you. Keep that thing on you, alright? I love y'all. Y'all know how I'm getting up out of here. What Pamela James say? Peace. Y'all gonna learn to love it. Dang it.